Have you ever thought about growing your own berries at home? Imagine having a bounty of fresh, juicy berries right at your fingertips. From strawberries to blueberries, we'll explore the comprehensive guide to backyard berry bushes. Stick around to learn how you can start your own berry garden right at your backyard. First things first, you need to choose the right type of berries for your garden. From sun-loving strawberries to shade-friendly blackberries, each berry has its own specific growing conditions. The soil should be nutrient-rich and well-drained, and the location must be suitable for the berry's needs. Blueberries, for example, love acidic soil and lots of sun. Raspberries, on the other hand, prefer slightly sandy soil and partial shade. Remember, the right choice of berries and location can make or break your berry garden. Now that you've chosen your berries and prepared your garden, it's time to plant. Start by digging a hole, twice the width of your bush's root ball. Place the bush in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the ground. Backfill the hole, firming the soil gently around the roots. Once planted, water generously. Remember, regular pruning and fertilizing are key to the bush's health and growth. Regular care and maintenance can ensure a healthy and bountiful harvest. After all your hard work, it's finally time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Harvesting berries is a simple joy, best done when they're full of color and easily fall into your hand. The pleasure continues as you bring these gems into the kitchen. Imagine baking a pie with berries you've grown yourself, or adding a handful to your morning oatmeal. Perhaps make some homemade jam or a refreshing berry-infused water. There's nothing quite like enjoying fresh, homegrown berries. Growing berries in your backyard can be a rewarding experience. From deciding on the right berry bush, planting and care, to the joy of harvesting, the journey is worth every effort. So why not give it a try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!